Hey, so I've been checking out this application called TweakPHP, which is a desktop playground to run your PHP and Laravel related code. And it's an open source application, as you can see. This is the repo of this application. Okay, and let me open the home page. As you can see, this is the home page of this application, and it's pretty good. Like as you can see here, the application looks like this, and it provides all these features like to the ability to run your local projects, docker containers, your remote servers, and everything that you can expect from a playground, desktop playground, to run your code. Now if I open the download section, as you can see, it has covered all the executables that you can install on your respective OS. So in my case, I'm using Mac OS, so I have installed the Mac OS instance of this application on my machine. And once installed, this is how it looks like. So right off the bat, you first need to set the PHP path for this application that you are using. So you can get the local PHP instance of your on your machine using this command called which.php. So when you run which.php, it will return you the PHP instance that your machine is running. You need to copy this and just you need to paste it in this PHP path parameter. So likewise, we have other few configurations, like you can change the theme of this application. Currently I'm running the Dracula, but you can also set the font size and word wrap as well. Now if I open this page over here, by default it will give you a default Laravel project that you can use to play around with this application. So let's use this. So when you click on that, you will be getting this two pane layout, where one is the editor and the other is the output pane, where you can see the result of your PHP scripts. As you can see, it shows the current PHP version that it is running and the Laravel version for this particular instance. Now let's do something with it. So okay, so I'm going to run this over here. Okay, so as you can see, we can run a simple PHP code like this. So you can do it using this button, or you can press command R. I press command R over here, and it shows the result for this particular script. Now let me comment this out, let me uncomment this, okay, and run the code once again. As you can see, so this code is specific to Laravel, and as you can see, it is using collections, right? And I am mapping over this collection, and the output is showing over here, the output array like this. Similarly, you can run any code specific to Laravel. So let me run this one. So it's checking whether this string is UUID or not, and let me run command R. As you can see, it has returned true because this string is a UUID. So yeah, this is how you can basically play around with the code of your Laravel application, or you just want to play around with new versions of PHP. Currently, as I know, this application only supports up to PHP 8.2. So they are bringing the support for PHP 8.3 and 8.4 later this year, but for now you can only run up to PHP 8.2. I think it's pretty great if you are a package developer, or a developer that you just want to play around with new features. I think it's pretty great. The application is still in beta. As you can see, they have mentioned over here. It's still in beta, but I think it's pretty good in its current state, and I think it will only get better over time. So yeah, if you are looking for a PHP playground that you can install on your machine, I think you should definitely check out TweakPHP.